Good afternoon and good evening, depending on the location you are watching us from. This is Love Ada Family TV. Today we would like to talk about the rule of law. Rule of law means that the law of the land is the supreme to everybody, including the leader. What are the three basic principles of the rule of law? Which are the supremacy of law, the equality before the law, and the fundamental human rights. The supreme of law. The supreme of law means that the law of the land of the supreme over all other law or citizen that exists in the land. The people on uniform should not boast and influence everyone. Equality before the law states that all citizens are equal in the eye of the law. Nobody is special or different in the eye of the law. The fundamental human rights are those inalienable rights accused to us or that we have because we are a human being. The activist online. Very dark man. The very dark man is the best because he don't collect money. Now the benefit of the rule of law. 1, it does not allow the government functionaries to exercise according to their wishes. 2, it prevails the way of the obedience, court judgment by individuals to governments.
So, what of people or the leaders? What do you have to talk to the leaders, tell the leaders concerning the rule of the law? They shouldn't intimidate
people.
One shouldn't intimidate people because of the rule of the law. And not only that, what of people? What do you do to prevent yourself being
intimidated?
Not only intimidated, but also falling into also falling into the law, the rule of the law. You did something bad or do something that have made the laws that make you to become against the law. What do you tell the people?
That they should not intimidate people. And many people in the society does not follow the rule of law.
So how?
If they pie someone, they should be sentenced into pie. Many people in our society, they murder someone. 2, the
leaders too have to be involved when it comes into the rule of law. In the rule of law, it is for everybody. In the rule of law, it's for everybody. And it's very good when people work without collecting money. But the money comes from the government. When we talk about rule of the law, let the leaders, first of all, show us example. It's very, very important.